Ipob, one family. Ipob, one family. Greetings, great Biafrans and all of us of freedom. This is Prince Jeje Man representing Ipob for life. Aye kwere go kwesi ike. Kwechiri kwana kwechiri. Respect for to our great DOS. If it is not a formidable leadership like DOS, where will we be today? Oh, where will Ipob be? What will be the name of Ipob? As of this moment, you would have been sorry. After sorry. You understand? Ikuku kuru woto woto. Ake kurugu aisinsi na buru aisinsi. Ikuku kuru woto woto. Woto woto regime. Mbesi nwe. Calm down. Ihe di oku ya emecha gini. Juo oyi. Ihe joro di oku ya emecha juo oyi. Respect DOS, Directors of State, the leadership of great Ipob worldwide, with respect honor. You know they easy, you know they easy. To gather men of timbers and calibers and put them under one umbrella. And make sure that there is discipline. Check out your family first. Your father, your mother. How you run around with your children. Just check out. Not to talk of handling millions of Ipob worldwide. Mother Nature, you're saying that these people are not doing anything. They are not working. They are not modifying them everything. It will continue to wonder and wonder at you. Anything God is doing, you can never understand it. If you understand it, finish. You know, say that is not God that is doing it. Yes. That is Ipob for you. No smoke without fire. No smoke without fire. That is our topic. Topic of discussion today. Onwere bobo na anwụrụ na asụ kurukutu. Enwere ọkụ, enwere ebe a na-afụ ọkụ. Before na afọ anwụrụ. Ọ na-agbago enu, enwere ebe a na-afụ ọkụ. Directly or indirectly, a na-afụ ọkụ there. Ọkụ dị ebe ahụ. I used to be one of those. When they want to talk about Mazen Nnamdi, I said, no, it's no go area. You know that way that Nigeria will tell you, this place is no go area. If you want to talk about call Fulani by name, call them by name and the atrocity. You know, they will tell you, you are trying to profile them. You are trying to ethnicize it. You are trying to all kinds of useless grammar. You know, they will try to make you gaslight you, make you feel guilty even before you start talking. Morning there. Before you start talking, they will try to shut you up. I used to say anyway, you just say anything you like, but don't talk about my Nanekan. That place is no go area. About this. That's it. You cannot look at the reality anymore. Yeah? It's one prophet, one seer, what they say, what they prophesy. That's where you will hang on. The reality before you, you will not see it. That's what the religion does to the brain of human being. Eh? God, invisible God, even allow us to be real, advise us or direct us. Eh? Which way you put it. Want us to be real to ourselves. When he says in the manual of life, if you don't love your brother that you are seeing physically, don't say you know or you love me, that is God, whom you are not seeing. So, God understands the reality. That's why I say faith without work is dead. Faith without work is useless. Do you understand? So you must start from the physical. Finish with the physical before you now enter spiritual. Do you understand? Because it's only when there is no other solution that God can throw manna. God can throw manna. Miracle does not just happen. Miracle happen when there is no other solution physically to solve that. So that's the issue. Or for God to use it to show, for God to use it for lesson, teaching and lesson and direction. You understand? So it's not, miracle is different from magic. So what are we talking about? That is to digress anyway, but the point is this. No smoke without fire. I used to say, Nnamdi Kanu, don't know what the lawyers are talking, don't know what is happening. In fact, I used to say, oh, he is in the prison. Maybe because of he's in the prison, they are manipulating him. But antecedents have shown, previous actions of Nnamdi Kanu have shown, even while in the prison, that is not somebody you can manipulate. Do you understand? Even in the prison, he's a lion. A lion in the prison is what? A lion. You cannot put a lion inside cage and he will turn to goat. Do you understand? Is it not in the same court of Nigeria that Nnamdi Kanu told Buhari, a general, that he is a madman, you cannot jail me. Buhari, you are a madman, you cannot jail me. Eh? If it's somebody who is fearful and somebody who can be manipulated, he will not say that now. He knows the consequence. Do you understand? So through that, that's what I'm telling you, put down your emotion and all this your sentimental attachment to this struggle. Because Fulani cannot be coming to you with AK-47 and you will be speaking in tongue. You will not look for Obunigwe to carry him and the AK-47. You will be there speaking in tongue. Eh? Until be real, man. Let's be real in what we are doing. Eh? I used to believe that Nnamdi Kanu is being manipulated. But antecedent shows that lion is a lion. Nnamdi Kanu is not somebody who can be manipulated. He knows what he's doing at any time, at any day, even while he's sleeping. Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, knows what he's doing. Eh? The lawyer, when I started to feel so bad, was this one they call Maxwell. His beer is like a shovel. Eh? That Obi lawyer that Obi and Arukwa law. Yeah, they be them my client. When that one came up and said, DOS under my foot. Hey, eh? DOS under my foot. Oh, I got my red flag. That was a red flag. And these are the people standing for Nnamdi Kanu. Eh? Then, I don't know Okoko tiri. Eh? Then the second one, Allah Jumako, came after 6 years, 5 to 6 years, since 2021. Now it is 2026. We are coming to tell the world that DOS is innocent. They have no knowledge of the kidnapping of Nnamdi Kanu and the extraordinary rendition of Nnamdi Kanu by Nigerian state. You are coming now after many years, seeing that many accusations from Simon Ekpa, from Nelly, from Umuada, many people they were accusing up and down. People were being slaughtered because of confusion everywhere. Eh? There was silence. Now you are coming to tell us, and you are aware, right from London, you that is the lawyer, is aware, you and Kanu, both of you are aware of the movement of Nnamdi Kanu. DOS is not aware. But you are there, castigating the leadership. You know, you are there. People are castigating them, blackmailing them, using propaganda against them. You all kept quiet. And you are going to see Nnamdi Kanu every day. He's in the know of what is happening. He's in the know of everything that is happening, both inside the world and outside the world. He's in the know. Are you getting me? Now, the same lawyer says so-called leadership, the same MO of Maxwell Okpara, the same MO, so-called leadership. Eh? If these lawyers are not in a cahoot and in a mission to steal, kill, and destroy IPOB, wouldn't they mind their business of or for defending their leader, for their client, why are they dabbling into the affair of the movement? Why? Eh? That is a red line. It's not their jurisdiction. It's not their work to interfere in a movement. Eh? In a freedom movement like IPOB, you face to free your client. If you are not in a separate mission to still kill and destroy IPOB. Do you understand? Eh? So when the lawyers that are going to see him on day-to-day do not value the leadership, do not value, once you don't value the leadership, also you don't value IPOB. You don't value millions of IPOB worldwide. You do not value them. Let's call a spade a spade. Do you understand? Eh? So I used to say, oh, Mazen Nani kind of doesn't know what is going on. No, he's inside. But the first comment he will make concerning the movement, first comment he will make while everything about Simon Ekpa was raging against the leadership. Because every group that always come out, the target, every negative group, the target has always been pull DOS down. Why? Why are they targeting DOS? Because they know it is the pillar, they are the pillar of IPOB, the pillar of the house, the pillar that is holding the house. Once the target of Nigeria is that once DOS collapse, IPOB will collapse instantly. It's a simple arithmetic. They know what they are doing. And the second plan is to isolate them. Make sure you isolate them from their leader. Make sure you isolate them from their leader. That's why you see the family coming in. Their role is always to separate IPOB from their leader, so that they can quietly slaughter him. That is the plan. If not so, they understand that Igwebike, they understand that over 20 million IPOB worldwide is better than telling us to go and join IVD that is 5 in number. Rising Sun that is 2 in number. That one wasn't enough. Then now they are telling the IPOB to go and join 100 men. 20 million, over 20 million members. You left them. Now, what is more important to you is a group that is not more than 5 or 2. Then they are so much large is the 100 men. And I've touched and I've checked about the also. And I've where there is celebration, merriment. You won't live there and be going where there is where they are doing sacrifice. Except you have anything to do with demons that are stopping you. Do you understand? Everybody loves where they are doing celebration more than where they are doing sacrifice. They will be using broom to flog you so that evil spirits will go out of your head. And I put you about a cheers or Gavaba Arrow. Except you have what a young so. Except more joy than you so. Over 20 millions of IPOB worldwide should go and collapse into 100 men. Are we going moving forward? Are we moving backward? I don't just understand this gospel or message or this directive. We should collapse into Avid that is 5 men, or Rising Sun that is 2 men. we should collapse. IPOB is over 20. Is it not then that will come and join us and, you know, do whatever, move if they have anything to offer? When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was not inside, was that not the thing? When they say come together, come together, come together, come together, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will say, tell them that IPOB is larger in number. If we are coming together, it's you that will come and join IPOB. You understand? You can't be 5 in number, and you are telling people that over 20 billion to come and join you. It's you that will go and join them now. It's a simple arithmetic now. You understand? God is not an author of confusion. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God is not an author of confusion. Anything that involves confusion, because in heaven there is orderliness. In heaven there is what? Orderliness. The first person that want to bring disorderliness in heaven was thrown out. That is the devil. Since then he has been going to and fro, looking who he will still kill and destroy. Do you understand? So, Maxwell came, charge and bail lawyer. He said DOS under my foot. Ejumako, charge and bail lawyer. He came, he said DOS under my foot. These are the people representing our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who have abandoned IPOB, abandoned the leadership. And some people are coming to tell us that IPOB is an S-IPOB. DOS is SDOS. Do you understand? And when people tell them that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a S leader, they will start to fly like a monkey from one tree to the other. Flying monkey. They will start to make noise. Do you understand? When the leader is constantly making IPOB, S-IPOB, constantly by your action making the leadership, leadership. Are you getting me? You have isolated yourself. You made yourself S-leader. You understand? We are analyzing this thing because you told us that you will not forget IPOB. IPOB, you will not leave them. That is IPOB that will let you down. But you are the one now. You are the one now doing the opposite. That is what is called psycho. Psycho conditioning. You have psycho conditioning our brain. You have already blackmailed us in advance. Yes, now. It's psycho conditioning now. When you say something that you are going to do against somebody, you say it in advance. It's to psycho condition that person's mind. Do you understand? The thing that you're going to do to somebody, say somebody will do it to you. You say it in advance. It's because you understand how the way the brain of the people work. They understand their emotion, you understand their sentiments, so that when you strike, even when they are revolting against your action, at the same time they will be feeling guilty. He has said it, I will not let you down. It's you that will let me down. But you are letting us down now. So if we react now, so we'll be feeling guilty. That is psycho conditioning now. That is psycho conditioning. We're gonna tell ourselves the truth. Do you understand? We're gonna tell ourselves the truth. You know that unity of purpose is very powerful. Unity of purpose, not Nigerian unity. Nigerian unity is without purpose. You understand? That's why there's madness everywhere. Eh? If we must do something differently. If not, why do we want to separate from Nigeria? If we cannot do something, do something better. Show the world that we can behave like normal human being. 1 more years now. We must be extra, Panadol extra. We must be extra different from Nigeria. We must be a model. You understand? If we are not a model, then what we are doing is useless. We must be a model. In Africa, we must be a model. In the world. That's why nobody is spared. Madison Nanakan is not spared. DOS is not spared. IPOB is not spared. Anybody who do not want to key into this ideology of restoring a nation that people will live like a normal human being, is when you are called to order, you do not want to align, you will be expelled. You will be expelled. When you are expelled, go and get your 100 men. Go and get your 100 men. You will end up in Woto Woto. Do you understand? You will end up in Woto Woto. Because there's no other thing you will be doing with your 100 men than Woto Woto. Woto Woto. You will not be focused now. You will not be focused. You'll be fighting. You'll be busy fighting. You cannot be focused. That is it. You will not be focused. So yes, it will be night vigil for you. You understand? But one thing you must know is that 100 can never defeat 20 million people. Over 20 million people. 100 men can never defeat over 20 million men. It's not possible. Do you understand? You can only shout and shout and shout and shout, make noise. Make noise on the social media. After, when you are tired, you go and sit down in your house. At worst, you may woto kwaranga, enonimenga, cool, any nonime cooler. You understand? Because there's one thing about IPOB that is special. IPOB and had him involved, an international community, had him involved in anything criminality, anything terrorism. IPOB can never be involved. Do you understand? So do whatever you like. Say whatever you like. The world understand the MO of IPOB. Okay? And you can never change our resolution. You can't change it. You can't change our resolution. Because we know that our resolution is the best way to get what we are looking for. Our consistency have exposed everything about every evil about Nigeria. The consistency of IPOB have exposed everything to the world. And the world knows now that Fulani is the problem of Nigeria. Yes, the world know. When America came, what did they say? Fulani. What did they say? Sharia. Fulani and Sharia is the two points, serious point that America been pointed out, because it's only thing that they are using to move is this their Sharia with their terrorism. Sharia gives them power, because once any area they comes to and push Sharia, they will make sure that all of you there you know, never have a voice. You understand? They make sure that you never have a voice. Then what follows is terrorism. They will intimidate you to the extent that you cannot recognize yourself again. So America knows the 2 points. That's why they said it when they came to Nigeria. They know the Islamization agenda, vulneralization and Islamization agenda, and the force behind it is Sharia. Do you understand who exposed it? IPOB. IPOB exposed it every since internationally, and still we are consistent till today. So what are you talking about? And is madness. So is either our leader calm down and humble himself. I don't know his plan of trying to collapse IPOB, but whatever reason, it makes no sense. Any reason at all, it makes no sense. Do you think that to gather people is easy? Before you can gather people like IPOB, gather people like the Biafrans together, you have to prove your integrity to the highest level. Extraordinary integrity. Extraordinary integrity. You have to prove it before Biafrans will follow you. Before Igbo man, you convince Igbo man. Igbo man, we are Republicans. We are Republicans by nation now. By nation. You don't we don't use feudal system. I'm not for really here now. You can't use feudal system to run Biafran society. It's not possible. You must prove your integrity. You must prove your consistency. Do you understand? So if you over here now think that you can collapse IPOB, then when you come, one announcement, everybody will gather. In a book girl, I want to Nigeria and you get that promises. You don't know, Jeje meet, say now, Mommy Binta Jibako Nungwa, Shei Jibako Nungwa. When you wish, nobody. Even Papa President Zurenoi, they are nobody. Can have an agreement. And you couldn't deal with the nation, in age deal with individual. You see, I don't IPOB be a nation, and they are dealing with the nation of Nigeria. I am any discussion with an individual. If they talk with an individual, it downgrade, you are downgrading us. I don't have any talk with an individual. We are dealing with a nation. Nation to nation. Are you getting me? So I'm going to for IPOB as a nation. Man, I'm not here now. IPOB, we're a nation in waiting. The world they recognize go IPOB. Yeah. So because not like and I meant interrupt broadcast. Upon for IPOB as a nation, man am I here man. That's why some people men discipline out of insubordination, because if for IPOB as a nation, on the begin to for IPOB as a nation, then you will be thinking of what you have to do for your nation, not what your nation will do for you. You understand? onye ọbụla bụ American na-adị proud ịbụ American. Onye ọbụla bụ onye British na-adị proud ịbụ British. Do you understand? But one come, all come. One come, all come. He work in favor of the system. If not, the system will work against you. Yes. Work in what? In favor of the system. If not, the system will work against you. To help someone use homeless or asking for money, please donate to charity projects. An island. Another person about an island. No. So there is no smoke without getting fire. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, former as our leader. As of today, God make sure that now this precious IPOB be protected at all costs. Oh, you hear that fight? Lawyer Yapota now say IPOB under their foot. No. Is it DOS under your foot? Automatically it's IPOB under your foot. Because DOS is IPOB. You cannot separate it. Do you understand? Sorry, I'm back. Because like and share, and I may interrupt this broadcast. So as I was saying, you cannot separate IPOB from DOS or one oath. I ain't Chinese one oath can I take. Every DOS member, every IPOB member, one oath. Only make cry one family. Oath is the reason why I ain't charge bro one family. When he was up here, when you do you understand? That's why any IPOB water here on them. Yeah, I'm mad at now. You know, IPOB, I need to hear now. In a soon, we're not poor. No matter how it is, it need suppose in a book on a Brunia IPOB beggar. You tomato do kunu yes, once a chairman get which up one side and move forward, reconcile as soon as possible. Macadini own under oath one day. I want to know the significance of oath. Jeje Accuses Kanu. You brought an IPOB member in a criticize DOS. Onwe again a baby no. Onwe again every DOS no forgetting of oath. Of oath. That you cannot work against their fellow principal officer. Is that not the oath? If we hear him one day support now bro Jeje generation. If we hear him one day, is that not the oath? Even in IPOB name abhor court, about secret court, he name made in open. That's why the word they respect IPOB. Even in name abhor secret court. I know by abhor secret court. I know in the it will nations say more operate all the open. And I before one angotara mazan nani kani manakata mangotas kware yo na angotara yi na ebelo ye potara ana ekwu na okoko mare tiri onu owe okwu ebelo ye ji onu pota say that na you can hire and you can fire IPOB bruzenda na hire Amaha no onwe ha ga-agbara egbe n'ihu mana gba egbe n'ọkpa gbakwa ekwekwa n'ime gba onwe ha na egbe n'ihu onwe ha ka agbara egbe n'ime ọnụ You understand? But what I observe, but that now, what I observe from the lawyer, but that now, script Nigeria can play. Mana, Mazen can work with them in that script. Unknowingly, no way going in. Because he had to make sure that IPOB may isolate from him. So that I happy will go the age. Happy we then IPOB and when you get and Nigeria everywhere I go you can know when it was say they wound them mad when man because Mazen Nana cannot say any day now a buruzu I born not done zoo. So actually first of all a cycle our mind, our brain and our mind, make sure and happy we has may isolate people I revolt. So here for script the Nigeria can the lawyer may play but Mazen Nana can buy because how quick game na it is a Hana IPOB yeah any freedom on nature and OBH with a microphone work gather one new people. Yeah go so then round and there Basarana now we went and ha my effort he make go man do get to na my get to na my danger to na hand in the waste. It doesn't work that way. Operator goes to work. All human being can in a deal with. Over hinda hosa. Koje ator. All human being. Do you understand? Asokateze, won katani who more believable before and I say imagine kind of a lion. Only we keep it manipulate here. You only maybe here, you're sorry, you only could be your sorry, you could. You don't see how we here or Choroka is a lion. Equally, it's equally, one equally is up to you. So, pray na eziokwu na kwọtọ kasiga pray na afọ etu siga si akwọtọ so eziokwu na kwọtọ ka siga na ghọta
This is coach number 4 of 5.
There is no smoke without fire one day. Any lawyer na agwa.
Please mind the gap.
Oh yeah na client ha. Oh nkata na client ha para. Mazen Nana ka na abia na nsoro ai. You understand? So Amaheku Amahasa. You understand? Ndi Igbo si na Amaheku Amahasa. Ndo you will say actions speak louder than voice. Yeah, ndo you will say actions speak louder than voice. So ma continue na agbachitere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ị na-agbachitere ihe a na-emebi. Ọ ya na ma continue na-agbachitere onye na-agbachitere esi n'azụ mmadụ na-ewoghị ọkpọ. Na-agbachitere esi n'azụ mmadụ na-ewoghị ọkpọ. O nwebe ya eworu ọkpọ ahụ ọfụ too much akwapụ ya nọ n'ihu. Jide onye dị responsible. Ana ya ị na-akwa anya ha anyị na-emekwana nkịta na ị na-akwazikwa lọya. Ọkpọ ya dị na too much ọkpọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si n'azụ na-ewu anyị n'ihu. Anyị na-asị n'ọlọya. osikwa n'azụ na-ewokwa anyị ọkpọ n'ihu na ọ na were lọya debe n'ihu kịta na anyị kwapụrụ a na-akwapụ lọya n'ihu na-efe esizi directly onye bụ ihe a na-ekwu that we are insulting our leader. We are insulting our leader. So we can't insult our leader. We can't insult our leader. Mana leader ya akwari onwe ugwu. Akwari onwe ugwu because ọ bụrụ that na ite nke ara na IPOB na ya agase pụta mụnwa ka ya bịa mee another microphone. Mekwu another microphone. Or mee announcement. I got mụnwa. President German. Okay now. Okay now. What that?
This train terminates at Stanmore.
What announcement? Okay, ehi ka ya eme na one announcement ehi. Iwere ara osisi control ehi ha nchara na agadakwa. Ehi ka esi etu aghachi. Ya ehi ka esi etu aghachi. Kwara nwogo makwu na IPOB bụ kpọkịrịkpọ. Leader ha kpọkịrịkpọ. IPOB gịnị kpọkịrịkpọ. Mana ofu osisi a na-eme n'ọhịa ọha siere ofu onye ericha ọya bụ efuru eji si esiri IPOB ma leadership anyị na-ericha aracha aka mana efuru na IPOB bido isiri gị asị na ide insult our leader ifu na ekweghị oriri ekweghị oriri na bụ ka ọha na-esiri gị chigata azụ ndị iro gbara gburugburu ụmụ nwanne gị ndị iro lọya chajambe lọya asịrị na-esogharị gị ka ijiji ndị iro chigata azụ ọhịa na-agwa gị kịta anyị ka ji ndụ n'aka chigata azụ ọkwa ọka ọha anyị n'ọnụ o nwere nke anyị ma sọ ihe anyị ma bụ Biafra. Woe unto him that put trust in a man. Woe unto him that put trust in a man. You understand? That's why in IPOB I ain't trust. Because I ain't trust, I ain't oath. We don't put trust in a man and IPOB. That's why I didn't wear oaths. That's the reason why I didn't wear oaths now. Because Chineke buri ayuche. Say I woe unto him that put trust in a man. That's why there's no trust. All oath to I. All oath to I one family. I'm a when I get an through oath, when I have blood brother. Through the oath of IPOB, when I have blood brother. And I got that. How when I trust why I ain't wearing a oath. So we don't put trust in a man. So put down that your emotion and sentiment, put it aside. How many people that grow? How many people that grow in this struggle? How many people that grow? Now this struggle. For no nkaketa na rotten. Makana ha chọrọ Biafra. Ebe na akọ story na akwa onye ọbụla kwakwara onwe ugwu. Onye ọbụla kwakwara onwe iwe na-ewekwa ndị mmadụ. Ụfọdụ na-aka enweghị ike ịtọ ịkwụ na Naịjirịa. Ụfọdụ na-abatagara amịrị wee bata. Nyeke ya pụta, ị na-akọrọ onye ahụ akụkọ dị aṅa. Family ji sịkwa gị, lọya ji sịkwa gị, na-akọ ụdị ahụ bụrụ akụkọ. Kwakwara onwe gị ugwu, onye ọbụla kwakwara onwe ugwu. IPOB, one family, ụmụ Chineke. Yeah, then Commerciano. The word is enough for the wise. I'm gonna just emotion. Man, that man, there is no smoke without fire. Oh yeah, I won. Amazon, I can authorize isolated. It can never be isolated in ENM IPOB today. It can never be isolated. I never isolate before. And now, but it's obvious. It's very, very obvious now. It cannot be isolated. Commerciano.